Almost everybody at one time or another has scraped their alloy or their steel wheel up against a curb, whether they were parallel parking, driving through a fast food restaurant, which is the #1 place people scrape up their wheels, or even going through a drive-in bank. When they do that, most people don't get the wheels fixed, but they end up paying for those wheels when they trade or sell the vehicle. It's going to be somewhere between $100 and $200 to fix a wheel that's been scraped up by a curb. But when you buy a MOTORTREND certified vehicle from Sarah, it's not going to cost you a penny. During the first 6 months of ownership, we will fix any wheel you scrape on a curb. And by the way, whether it's cosmetic wheel repair or key replacement or paint and stent repair, all of these warranties can be extended far beyond the 6 months if you so desire. All you have to do is check with one of our finance people and they'll let you know exactly how to do it.